Aura unveils Shiva Shivam, Shiv Tandav, a revolutionary trans-spiritual electronica experience rooted in inner awakening. The event saw the presence of Dabu Milk, Pranita Pandit, Yamini Malhotra, Siddharth Nigam, Manara Chopra, Falak Naz, Shibani Kashyap, Shweta Sharda, Dhruv Chaudhary, Abhay Parpani many more. Global artist and cultural catalyst Aura is set to redefine spiritual psychological music expression with the launch of his latest single, Shiva Shivam, Shiv Tandav, a transformative trans-electronica piece that transcends mythology and dives deep into human consciousness. Here, Shiva represents the awareness within, Tandav symbolizes the release of suppressed chaos, movement becomes emotion, and stillness unfolds into clarity. Together, they create a unified experiential language. Separating them, Aura believes, would dilute the very intent of the art. Honestly, this song came from curiosity, not confidence. I'm still learning about Indian philosophy, about Shiva, and about what these ideas really mean. I didn't make this song thinking I know something. I made it because I wanted to understand. While working on Shiva Shivam, I realized that for many people, Shiva is not just a belief or a story. It's a way of calming the mind and becoming more aware of yourself. Trance music helped me explore that feeling. When you repeat a sound or a rhythm, your thoughts slowly quiet down. I felt like I was learning how to let go, instead of trying to control everything. The Tandav in the video is also part of that learning. It's not about being perfect or performing something traditional. It's about expressing what's inside, confusion, anger, energy, and then releasing it. I don't see this song as a final statement. It's part of my journey. I'm still learning, still listening, still trying to understand more deeply. If people feel something genuine when they hear it, I feel grateful. And if I learn something new from their reactions, that's also part of the process Aura shares. Blending trance energy with meditative spiritual electronica, the track is designed for impact over noise, built on intent rather than trends, created to reward authentic emotional expression rather than algorithmic formulas. With this, Aura aims to set a new benchmark for spiritual psychological soundscapes, offering listeners not just a track to hear, but an experience to feel, a sonic release that mirrors the dance between chaos and calm within the self. Shiva Shivam, Shiv Tandav, stands as a bold artistic statement from an artist who continues to push boundaries, merge cultures, and challenge the way spiritual art is perceived in contemporary music.
Sanskrit, this is very difficult, and I prepare time 1 year. So everyday meditation, also everyday learning. Everyday learning now also. Today also learning, so many practice, but very happy.
Could you tell me about your entire look of today's song launch? You're looking very nicely.
Thank you.
How did you plan?
I'm so very grateful, and then because Sir coming also, I'm so very grateful. Thanks for God also. Also now just I want to this know. Now I'm learning India culture also, India music also. Now start. So until now today landed in India 3 years today. So after also look forward. Thank you so much.
What about your video which you are launching today?
I'm so very excited and I'm so very happy because we are together.
Good luck to Aura. Good luck everybody.
सबके साथ हम सब एक साथ बोलेंगे हर हर महादेव। तो इट वाज अमेजिंग। मुझे यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा कि एक कोरियन, हमारी दुनिया, हमारी पूरी जेंजी कोरियन पॉप के पॉप के पीछे पागल हो रही है, और हमारे पास साक्षात एक कोरियन है जो हमारे शिव जी के लिए, शिव भक्त निकले हमारे शिव जी के लिए। इतना प्यारा, इतना अमेजिंग, मतलब ब्रेथ टेकिंग सॉन्ग जो है बना दिया है। और तांडव खुद डांस कर रहे हैं, खुद तांडव कर रहे हैं, तो ऐसा लगता है कि ये गलती से कोरिया में पैदा हो गया, ये पीछे से आत्मा कहीं हमारे बनारस की या ऋषिकेश की कहीं की आत्मा है ये. सो इट वाज टू गुड मैन, टू गुड लवली. तो प्लीज देखिए, प्लीज डू वॉच इट. सबको बहुत पसंद आएगा. मैं तो बहुत बड़ी शिव भक्त हूँ, तो मुझे तो यकीन बहुत ही अमेजिंग लगा है, तो आप लोगों को भी बहुत पसंद आएगा. एंड ऑल्सो आई वांट टू टॉक टू द प्रोड्यूसर. So he's Abhay Parpani, and he's the owner of a lounge in Malad called Glass House. Glass House. And sometimes हम वहाँ जाते हैं, हम वहाँ चिल करते हैं, और अचानक से I want to ask him now, मतलब ये कहाँ से thought आया अचानक से from being a lounge owner to producer, song producer, वो भी सीधा महादेव.
Like I said, you said, we are very much inspired with Korean cultures, Indians. We
Yeah.
Indians. So when I got the concept of this song from Rachna, that a Korean singer is gonna sing a song on Shiva in Hindi and Sanskrit. Sorry, Sanskrit and English.
Yeah.
So I was.
You.
I'm done.
I'm done. What? Talking. Guys, I'm pretty excited. It's Aura's Shiva Shiva song. I've already heard the song. I just got to know there's a big surprise in store for me, and to my BFF, and you know I'm fond of, I have all the NRI friends around, and Aura being here, I want all of you to support him, give him all your love, all the blessings to the Shiva Shiva song, and yeah.
Do you remember? First, you teaching me Om.
Yeah, we. So when we were in a show together, which you all know about, there used to be a lot of mess and chaos. As you know, that house is full of a lot of craziness. I'm saying everything in English so that he also understands. So please bear with me. So there used to be a lot of chaos. So one day morning, we are like, let's do the chanting, and we sat there in the garden, me with like all the hair and oil in my hair, and we did do it.
Right.
Shiva Shiva. So I think you got the inspiration from there. You have to tell them the
I'm so
story.
very happy you're coming here.
Thank you. But you tell the story.
Yeah, first you teaching me Shiva,
Ah.
right? So after I'm so very wondering, so many now learning.
Yes.
I
So
want to show you today.
thank you so much. It's an honor, it's a pleasure that I am able to inspire you for this very creation, and I can't wait for the world to see your creativity in there. And guys, wish him all the best. So Shiva Shiva, the first part is here in Mumbai, and if it's a big hit, the second part is going to be in Korea, and he's going to pay for my tickets.
Your
Thank-
company.
My company, yeah. We're going to talk to the company.
Right.
हाँ ठीक है, हम सबको लेके जाएंगे. They all want to go to Korea with you.
Yeah, of course. And Hatu.
Ah, not. Sarangyo. क्या? चेहरा? इसको ज़्यादा हिंदी समझ आ रहा है अभी. Thank you guys.
Particular camera. All right. Firstly, हर हर महादेव सभी को. I hope आप सभी अच्छे होंगे. And honestly, when I have to talk about the song, मैं बहुत बड़ी भक्त हूँ शिव जी की. And I'm very happy to know this amalgamation of Korea and the Indian culture that we have here in India, where कोरिया के एक आर्टिस्ट ने पहली बार यहाँ पे आके हमारे कल्चर में इमर्स किया है. So I'm very happy collaboration जो हुआ, and I'm very happy with the fact that my friend Abhay is a part of this beautiful song, and he made me come here and watch the teaser. And honestly, I just can't wait to see the whole song, because it just gave me goosebumps while watching it. Because when I saw and the whole thing, the way it has shot, everything just made me feel so excited about it. So I just can't wait to see the entire song, and much love to Aura and the entire team of this song. Har Har Mahadev. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So
सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि हमारे इंडियन ट्रेडिशन, इंडियन कल्चर्स को और हमारी इंडियन जो जिसको कहते हैं ना जो योगिक नॉलेज है और जो हमारा इतना बड़ा इतिहास है वो इंस्पायर कर रहा है सिंगर्स और परफॉर्मर्स को जो कोरिया से हैं। ये बहुत बड़ी एक बात है और मुझे लगता है आने वाले पलों में आने वाले जितने भी वर्ष अभी आने वाले हैं उसमें इंडियन एथॉस और इंडियन कल्चर बहुत बड़ा पार्ट प्ले करेगा। जैसे आप देख रहे हैं कि हर तरफ आज सितार वादक को लाखों लोग देखने जा रहे हैं, ठीक है। ऋषभ शर्मा जी हैं और ऐसे बहुत सारे क्लासिकल म्यूजिशियंस हैं जो सेंटर में आ रहे हैं। मेडिटेशन, योगा और हमारा जो कल्चर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस गेन कर रहा है। तो आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी कि ऑरा ने ये शिव तांडव आप लोगों के लिए अपने स्टाइल में पेश करने की कोशिश की है और इस चीज़ की हमारे म्यूज़िकल लेगेसी को भी बड़ी खुशी है कि इन लोग हमारे इस कल्चर को, हमारे इस म्यूज़िक को अडाप्ट कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज़ यही फ्यूचर है। और आज ह्यूमन वेलनेस जो होती है उसका बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट हमारे इंडियन कल्चर का है, जो ह्यूमन लाइफ को चेंज करने के लिए हमारा जो इतनी बड़ी हमारी जो नॉलेज है आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन्स की, योगा की, हमारे कल्चर की, ये बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट करने वाले पूरे विश्व पे। एंड
First of all, congratulations. I think Jai Mahakal, Jai Shivji, I listen to it daily, so this is something that I don't miss this. I have my fast version and the slow version. And Shiv Stotram obviously is a hymn which talks about surrender. So I think that's something which is the essence, where you let go of your ego, you let go of your false visions and look at total surrender to God. So I really follow it with passion, and I'm very happy that you sang this, and this is something I look forward to. So congratulations on this.